Let me show you how easy it is to lend your money out on Hifi's V1 public preview on Polygon. So first thing you'll need to do is make sure you've ported over assets onto the Polygon network and check out our other video that walks you step by step on how to use the Polygon bridge to bring your assets from Ethereum onto Polygon. First, navigate to the app and click on Lend at the top of the screen. Select which market you want to lend into. I'm interested in lending to the market with the highest APY. I select that one, and I'm going to just lend out $1 today. I hit Lend. MetaMask will prompt me to approve USDC for the app to spend. I'll hit Confirm. As soon as that transaction is done, MetaMask will pop up again for the actual lend transaction, and I hit Confirm. As soon as that transaction confirms, you'll see the interface update with the APY that you've locked in and your lending balance. So in just a couple of clicks, you're able to put your assets to work for you on Hifi V1 public preview on Polygon.